What's going on, guys? Back again with another vlog. Thank you guys. If you guys are watching, thank you so much. If you guys are subscribed, thank you guys so much as well. If you guys are not, smash that subscribe button, guys, real quick.
Do it! Just do it!
Smash that like button. Help me out, guys. Share this video as well. Today we're on our way to the Dance Tuesday meet, guys. I'm gonna wash the car real quick. It's really windy, so the audio might be crap, so just bear with me. It might just be cinematics, so just bear with me, guys. The audio is just like shit right now because of the wind. But I'm gonna wash the car real quick and then head over there. All right, thanks, guys. Meet, guys. I don't know if you can hear me. I'm on the right here. But meet is already packed with cars. You might not hear this because of the wind noise, but it is what it is. But as you can tell, there's a shitload of cars right here. Just look at this.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Hello, those chickens.
Damn. What's going on? Guys, right here, this is my store right here. This is right here, all my shit. Oh, look at this guy. Oh, damn. When you have too much camera and shit. Cameras live. Cameras. Fuck. Time to ride in the GTR, guys. Tuned. Dyno today. The vlog is up. Go check it out. Fuck. I'm about to get my neck snapped today.
What did he say?
Hey, Drew, I got no insurance. You already know that, right? I got no insurance in case my neck snaps. Alright.
Where you going? You're lost. Dollar Tree headset, so free, freer than a public restroom. You're literally dog water, 0 PR, earning check. Oh, wait, you have none.
Oh shit! It's on my eye. A bug flew on my eye. Oh damn, that shit's sick. Well, let me turn. Yeah. Oh shit! Oh. Damn. Oh shit! Oh what? God damn! Woo! Fucking gangster! Oh my goodness! Alright guys, meet is over. I'm going home. I'm already tired. Just kidding. No, what about this? I'm gonna do some cinematics right now, alright guys?
Hey, I like bands, I like cars, I like broad shit. Got my mans all around me, I'm my boss shit. I got pain in my body, I like star shit. You can't find me, I'm inside, I'm on Mars shit. I like bitches on my dick. I like niggas that don't wanna take no pic. Shawty treat me like a baby, like I'm 6. Goofy niggas really think I'm from the 6. I like red like it's blood, I don't move in the sun. All these niggas think they tough, you a fan, I ain't dumb. I'm that nigga, can't you see? I got Gucci on my feet, fuck your bitch inside your sheet. I got diamonds on my teeth, all these mans ain't doing shit. I just wish you ate my shit, find your grave and then I shit. Nigga, I don't give a shit, all these niggas are my kids. I make magic, I'm a whiz. You be talking like a bitch, put your body in the fridge. Young boy gon' get to him. 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 Young boy gon'.
Hey, I like perks, I like Zans. I throw bands up on that ass. Oh, that's your bitch. Shit, my bad. Thumbing through the guap, we move too fast. Hey, she gon' suck like a leash, creeping right through the sheets. And these diamonds in my gums when I smile, I gleam. Been on finessing, no stressing. Moving that work out of Texas. Using that Uzi, that's my lethal weapon. Tell the world get.
Me was pretty sick, pretty dope. Cops came by and tried to shut it down, of course, But I'm in Target right now. I need to get some kombucha so my voice can get a little better. These right here are freaking. Damn, they fuck you up though. It's like they have that pepper in there and you drink it and that shit burns for maybe 30 to 45 seconds in your fucking throat. But this shit works though. Like you have a hangover or you're feeling like shit, sick, whatever. This right here, guys, A1. I can't handle that shit, so I'm gonna get raspberry lemon again. Let's get it, guys. If you guys are here and you guys like this video, thank you guys so much.